Good evening, and welcome again to Pumping Up with Hans and Franz, the informative training program for the serious Woman in the Moose co-worker.
Alright, welcome! We're back!
Once again, I'm Hans.
And I'm Franz. And we are here to pump the Women of the Moose up. Yeah, you know, let me tell you something. Many of you wondering where we have been, right? You haven't seen us in a long time.
Yeah, that's right. Especially since it's the first time you've seen us. Don't be alarmed by our stunning musculature.
Yeah, you know, you can't possibly comprehend the strength and power that is bottled up inside of Hans and me, Franz.
Yeah, that's right. You know, we're traumatized right now by the sight of us. But believe me, our muscles do not bite.
Yeah, that's right. We put our weight belt on the same way that you do at home. Yeah.
Okay, Franz. These ladies aren't impressed. So let's tell them what we've been doing besides lifting small children over our heads from Moose Heart.
Yeah, that's right. We've been very busy, haven't we, Hans? We've been extremely busy. We've been busy training our cousin in Terminator 1 through 7.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe you have heard of him. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, Arnold Schwarzenegger, yeah. So now that we are done with 24 years, we have been filming Terminator. It is all over now. 24 years of filming Terminator. We've been looking for the perfect chapter co-worker to star in our new video series on weightlifting.
Yeah, we heard that Bob McPherson, the Grand Chancellor of Crunches, was unavailable due to a teeny-weeny back injury.
Teeny-weeny back injury. I tell you what though, Hans, I've been looking at the audience. I've been studying them very carefully. There are some very tough women in the moose out there, the co-workers. I can see in their eyes right now, they have some serious moose pumptitude attitude.
Okay, Franz, enough power flexation. We don't want to pass out from our extreme muscle rectitude.
Yeah, the one thing that the women of the moose should know that your body and my body, we are capable of surviving without oxygen for 24 hours. And I think we are now down to about 4 minutes.
Yeah, we need to get one incredible training tip to you as quickly as we can.
Yeah, because we're here to pump the women of the moose up. Okay, let's go through some teamwork in building chapter muscular definition. We need to teach them how to do that, to build that definition in the chapter.
All right, ladies, let's pretend you don't know anything about teamwork.
Yeah, Hans, I've been looking out at the audience and I can tell that the co-workers in rows 78 and 79, that won't be a problem at all. They know nothing about co-working. 78, 79, check your chairs, ladies, check your chairs.
But let's show our teamwork in curling over 300 pounds, something not possible without awesome moose cohesiveness or muscle promptitude.
That's right. We are here to teach the ladies about teamwork. So let's show them. I will go over here and I will take care of this side and you take care of that side.
I need to use my right arm. My right arm's stronger.
No, listen, my right arm is the strongest arm and
I got bigger arm anyway.
I am the younger one, Hans. And so I will get to choose you. Stop arguing with me about this whole teamwork. We need to get us.
Boys, stop acting like two girly men in a cat fight.
It's Rhonda Jones from the International Women of the Moose headquarters. Rhonda, come on in.
So sorry, Rhonda. So sorry. We're just showing the women of the moose in our audience how to work as a team.
Yeah, our incredible, massive, and powerful arms just got in our way of the teamwork.
Yeah, typical men, thinking with your body instead of your brain.
Yeah, maybe we should try something else, Hans. I'm thinking like, you know, I've been studying the ladies in the audience. Maybe they need to see us in action. Maybe we should show them how to pose and flex like real muscular men.
Oh, you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Stop. The women of the moose don't need how to flex. We already know how to flex.
Whoa.
And the women of the moose have our own solid plan for teamwork and to build the women of the moose.
Gee, Rhonda, that was impressive, but I guess we will take our super muscular promptitude to the men.
Yeah, let's take it over to the men. The men sessions need us. We will train the men how to build the membership better than the women.
Yeah, okay, Hansel and Gretel. This show is officially...
Oh, wait, Rhonda, wait. You don't know we can work together as a team. Just one more thing.
Yeah, there's something something out there. I don't know what it is. Maybe Rhonda, you can help us figure it out, but maybe something that can make the Grand Chancellor of Crunches, Barb McPherson, very happy this morning, tonight or today, whatever time it is. We're in this weight room. We've been in this weight room for like days, so we don't even know what time it is, but whatever you think, we can make the Grand Chancellor happy.
Well, maybe she should like our autograph. She would like that, huh?
Please, please. She don't even know you two. But there is one thing that we can do together that I know would make her happy.
Live from St. Louis, it's the Women of the Moose opening session.